Everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to walk through how to schedule email campaigns in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To begin, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Campaigns in the left-hand menu, then click the Create Campaign button to start building your email. After you have selected your campaign type and audience and finished designing your email content, you will land on the Review and Schedule page. From here, you will see the send options where you can choose between sending immediately or scheduling for a later date and time. Go ahead and click Schedule for later, then select the exact date and time you want your campaign to go out, making sure to consider your audience's time zone if you want to maximize open rates. Once you have set the date and time, click the Schedule button, and ActiveCampaign will confirm your scheduled send. If you need to make changes later, you can return to the campaigns list, locate your scheduled campaign, and click Edit to adjust the date time or even cancel the scheduled send entirely. For more advanced scheduling, you can also use the time zone delivery option, which allows ActiveCampaign to deliver the email to each contact at the specified time in their own local time zone, ensuring your message lands at the right moment, no matter where your subscribers are located. Once your campaign is scheduled, you can sit back and let ActiveCampaign handle the delivery while you track performance when it goes live. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I will see you in the next one.